Welcome, welcome. I will do a final flip through of Sandy's journal. I have these little tags. They're just thin balsa wood. And I was trying to spell out Sheepishly Me on the cover, but it's such a long name, it doesn't fit. It fits down the side on the spine, but I don't think I'm going to do that. One thing I might try is using the same dies that I used to do Goat's name. I don't know if they're going to be any smaller, though. They're not going to be any smaller. Okay, I was going to say I would use the dies, but I don't think we're going to have any more room. So here we go. Sandy's journal. Sandy's journal on this rainy day. A note from me. And Sandy, I know you don't live in Nova Scotia. I know you live in Ontario. But this is the only thing that I had that had a Canadian town on it, province. So here is a little baggie of different color hearts and another little sheep thing if she wants to decorate. I did change the closure just a little bit. It's easier this way if it's attached, and then it could just be tied on. But these could be taken off. You can do so many different things with this, quite honestly. But this is how I have it, and it's there to be changed around if you want. Journaling card. There. Making sure. And really, it's just blank pages. Okay, this is the little booklet journaling card. It is blank pages that, and there's a little pocket. Anything can be done with these pages. You can write on them, you can draw on them, you can glue stuff down on them, you could put pictures on them, anything. It is a blank canvas, really. It's a blank canvas. So there we go. Flip out, here's a pocket. And because I obviously don't know Sandy personally, I only know her through her videos. And the sense that I have of her is that I think, and it could just be because she's a farmer, and that's the only way that I see her. I think she prefers the simpler things in life, you know, nature, being outside, things like that. Not too frilly and fussy. So I tried to keep that with this journal. So anyway, yeah, beautiful goat. The pocket. So there are pockets here for her. I just love this picture. To put stuff in, right? Plain pages. The journaling spots, flip outs, journaling card, large pocket. There. The tuck spot here. So, I mean, she can fill it with just pictures of all her beautiful sheep and stuff. Those that she lost. The pocket, the envelope, right? With the pocket in the back. Of course. Let me see. There we go. Whoops. There. It's really not this difficult to do this, people. I'm just, I don't know, kind of feeling a little out of whack this morning. Okay. There we go. And then this is a writing board. So, because some of these things, especially like where that's bumpy. If you're trying to write on top of it, you have those brads there. So you just put that writing board down and it's a smooth surface. It makes writing a lot easier. That's what that is. And then the back pocket with the things. So this is Sandy's journal. I hope that, yeah, what can I say? I know she's going into lambing season right now. because I'm, of course, following her on Instagram and stuff. I don't know how Goat is doing. She posted a couple of pictures, or maybe she didn't post them today. Maybe somebody's just responding to them today, of Goat. So I know the last time we saw Goat, she was not looking too good. So there we go, Sandi's journal. Well, thanks for stopping by, everybody. See you soon.